Hello friends, Windrilla from Moorpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. A lot of friends are asking me for dupattas and stoles. So we are actually, it is an ongoing process where we keep creating all these, the fun items and the accessories where every time, you can just stylize yourself with these kind of individual accessories. So I start with this beautiful katha stone. See, it's an extremely beautiful uh, katha embroidery. See the katha embroidery. If you can see the katha embroidery, it's a lovely, lovely katha embroidered stone on silk. So that's the total work. It's basically the silk is basically it's a blended silk, not a pure silk. It's a blended silk, but it actually gives a feel of a silk only. So this is the whole stone. It's an extremely beautiful work, work of art actually, if you say so. That's the uh, that's the stone. 2 meters in length and 22 in width. So you can actually wrap it around like this and take it around your neckline. Very smart and very, very nice. This is the look, and the workmanship is marvelous. It's completely hand work. So these stoles are quite in demand, very much in demand. These are for 1750, 1750 plus shipping. 1750 plus shipping. So one of this is this. I have actually hardly left with only two stones in Kantha. So that's another. It's a peach kind of a color. See the color? Lovely flesh tint color. And with that, this sea green combination of thread. The thread work is sea green kind of a combination. It's a full work, full handwork stole, complete handwork, and it's a short color. So, and that's the palla. That's the palla side of the stole. That's the palla work. Lovely work, lovely work. There is no second thought of going for it if you are a stool lover, or you can just love casual dressing like this. Again, the length is 2 meters and the width is 22, so you can just take it like this. You can style the stoles in various ways. I style it like this. Many a times I would just cross it and take it like this, so that the both the edges are visible very nicely. So that's the combination. Yeah. So that's stool number 2. Then we come to a few hand painted stones. So this is one in tussa. This is in pure tussa silk. It's a geometric design. It's like this. It's a pure tussa silk geometric design stone. It's little long, little actually little longer in length, and this is more of a dupatta size actually. This is not a this is a it's more of a dupatta size. So this is that's the one. So you can actually take it as a stole or a dupatta, whatever you feel like. So this is like this. Incredibly nice fabric, very nice fabric. So you can just turn it around yourself like this neckline and make it a these are smart and trendy, and you can just this fold not this fold can be actually taken care beautifully by crisscrossing this part, crisscrossing this part. So this fold, now it's beautifully done. So that's the combination. Very nice. The price for this is 1500, 1550 plus shipping. 1550 plus shipping. So that's stole number 3. It's a pure tussar silk. Stole number 4, this is in pure georgette. Pure georgette, it's an hand painted stole. You know, the look of the stole is like this. Very pretty, very pretty, totally hand painted, and with kind of the selvage I have, you know, given a crepe fabric to the border, and so this is also like this. So you can just take it around your neck, feel very comfortable, very smart. So that's the one. Nice hand paintings, complete hand painted, all the roses. This is the border. So so this kind of combination of pure georgette stones are there. This georgette, that particular georgette stole was 1850 plus shipping. 1850 plus shipping. This is another georgette stole. This is another pure georgette stone. See, I have given this kind of a beautiful selvage, and see the color combination, the color palette. This is the color palette. Lovely and complete hand painting. Complete hand painting. Beautiful ones. Lovely, lovely, you know, combination. See how pretty it's looking. So that's the combination. I mean, the, you know, very trendy. Anybody of any age group can pick it up with a white shirt, white, you know, with a long dress kind of. So that's the combination. That's the combination. And the painting, you can see, it's absolutely stunning. With, you know, it's basically a watercolor based painting. So, and the feel of the whole stole also is like this. Another color combination is in purplish blue, purple blue. So this is also very fancy. The painting, you see the painting, if you can see the painting, extremely beautiful. You know, these are just to be felt, otherwise you would not, you know. If you can come to my studio, I think that's the best thing. So that's the combination. Very nice, and for gifting, for self, you know, self usage. I mean, see the combination, lovely. It's blue and purple. So that's the another palla. So the painting is on both the pallas. Painting is on both the pallas. So this is the one, and the back is like this. Then we come to another one. It's a green color, lovely green color. See how beautiful are these lovely colorful, you know, colorful bunches of flowers. Absolutely stunning. So these are the two pallas of the stole where the it's been given, the artwork is done. So that's the combination. That's the combination. So you just take around your neckline and be happy. So that's kind of a combination you would look. Very nice and very flowy, very soothing, very calm and beautiful at the same time. So that's the one. This is another very pretty pink and blue kind of a combination. Beautiful, you know, can you see this boat, this you know, this small boat on the river. See, that's the naturescape painting. That's the naturescape painting. The all through the stole, it is like kind of a cherry blossom. It's a Japanese look. This is all through the stole. It's the cherry blossom. So the whole stole looks like this. The boat hanging at the palla, boats hanging at the palla. See how beautiful. Very creative. These are very creative ones. So once you start, you know, draping it, using it, or utilize, I mean, I kind of draping it with right kind of attire, so they would look very nice. So this is actually a little long, so you can actually take it up as a dupatta also. See, it's pretty long. The length of the stole is also quite long, so you can actually take it as a dupatta also. So it can give you a dupatta, it can serve a dupatta purpose also. So that's the one. I mean, it's quite a dupatta length actually. 2.25 is the length, and width is little less. So whoever takes a little shorter dupatta can also take it. So and this is a pure tussar silk, desi tussar silk dupatta with half and half kind of a color combination. So this part is peach, this is peach pink, this part is peach pink, and this part is maroon. And we have done a brilliant hand block printing with this brilliant hand block printing with this kind of an ajrak border, with this kind of an ajrak border. So this is a full dupatta. This is the full dupatta. So one side like this, see the color combo. The color combo is one side red, one side peach red, peach pink, and one side is maroon. And that's ajrak inspired hand block has been given all over in the body. So one is in gray color, one is in beige color. So these are the two block the colors. So that's the whole dupatta. That's the whole dupatta. Very, very nice, and a very very ethnic, very ethnic. See, now you can see the color change of the two parts. This is dyed in peach color, dark peach color. This is dyed in maroon color. So, and that's the ajrak selvage. A beautiful grey color, pure desi tussar dupatta. With these dupatta, you can actually pick up anything. You can actually pick up a here. See, this is the block. This is the block border, and that's the motif. So you can pick up anything with this. Any fabric, tussar, cotton tussar, chanderi, all the fabric would do. So that's the selvage. And so that's the whole dupatta. That's the whole dupatta. Very nice and very beautiful. Actually, the beautiful is the word, lovely. So that's the selvage, and that's the dupatta. So that's the whole dupatta. Steel grain color. And the last one in this series which I want to showcase, another very extremely beautiful and rich one. It's in black. So that's again pure tussar silk, pure tussar silk. So that's the gold, gold hand block has been done. Gold hand block has been done. See the border, see the exquisiteness of the border, and the that's the palla. That's the palla. So it's body black. So that's the whole dupatta. That's the whole dupatta. These are very gorgeous dupattas, very, very gorgeous dupattas, and look very nice. So these are actually individually, if you take a black or a sea green color, plain color kurta, see, then nothing is required else but a lower and a plain lower and a kurta. So we finishes with this dupatta and a stole series for now. There are many of them, and please do come for our exhibition, which is just coming just around the corner. It's on from starting from 7th of September to 16th of September, and in Delhi itself, here in Craft Studio. And take care. Bye.